So what is happening is that the panel of judges today will convene sitting again. As you may recall, in May, the defense closed its case by calling 3 witnesses, including Thomas Kwoyelo himself. And thereafter, directions was given to ensure that each team files what we call written submissions, which has been done by the prosecution, the defense, and the victims' counsel. So today, the panel is going to hear from the different advocates on what we call highlighting. So each representative of the prosecution, the defense, and victims' counsel will have an opportunity to highlight what they have already submitted. And by highlighting means something may need further elaboration, clarification, because at this time, the panel has already read these submissions. They may also have questions that they want to raise. The assessors may also have 1 or 2 questions that they want to appreciate. So that is what is going to be happening today, the 22nd. Then tomorrow, the panel of judges will be highlighting or summing up for the assessors. In this particular case, we have 3 assessors, and of course, it is they have an obligation under the law to give an opinion. Assessors are generally lay persons, general members of the public. The court is usually interested in knowing what does the ordinary person really think about the case? What do they make of it? And once, but for them to be able to do that, since they are not legal practitioners by their training, the courts, particularly the judges, have to give them some guidance. Not guidance on what they are supposed to decide, but guidance, for example, if you're looking at identification of a single witness, what are the elements you should look at? Things like lighting, things like what time of the day was it? Could there have been a mistake? So that once they are analyzing the evidence which is on record, they can bear in mind those elements of the offense. Otherwise, you can imagine if left on their own, they wouldn't be giving very useful information. So after that, they will be required now to go and write their own opinion, like also their submission, because they have been sitting in this case all the time from the beginning. And when they write their opinion, they will render it on the 2nd of August to the court, to the judges. And after that sitting, this is what everyone has been waiting for. The judges now will do their final retreat to deliberate again, taking all the factors into account. And on 13th of August, we should be able to give the final judgment in this case.
We're doing it. Let me greet this man for 1 minute. Let him come here. Let me greet him for 1 minute. Asante.